Most people today are using ChatGPT, Gemini, Microsoft Copilots, and so many other AI tools. But here's the truth, without the right prompt, all of these will just feel like another Google search. And that's exactly why prompt engineering is such an important skill. Prompt engineering isn't just for techies. Whether you are a student, a manager, a developer, it's for all. The thing is, you have to optimally learn how to use this AI so that it saves you time, improves your output, and actually makes you look smarter in front of your team. So today I'm going to teach you that how prompt engineering actually works and what's a good prompt and a bad prompt. So welcome everyone to our AI enablement learning series. Before proceeding to the video, I would like all of you to comment in the comment box that what do you understand by a prompt. So, a prompt is basically a message or instruction which we send to any AI tool like Gemini, ChatGPT, or any other thing. And we can also say that a prompt is an input given to a LLM. Let's try to see how exactly it works. So, I'm putting a prompt that how is the weather in Manipur? So as you all can see that I have selected show thinking over here. So you can see the thinking process it is trying to show. So this is a thinking model and it is trying to show us the process that when we put the prompt, how the model is exactly thinking. So this is what we are trying to showcase over here. So as you can see that how it is showing the examining weather in Manipur, delving deeper into data. So is this the actual prompt or is there something else which is going to the model? So you can again comment down your answers in the comment section. So now we will try to understand that how exactly the mechanism at the back end works. That is under the hood, how it exactly works. So let me break it down for you. The words that you have typed are first captured as a simple text string. Then this text is further broken down into smaller units called tokens, that is how, is, the, whether, etc. Then these tokens are fed into large language models. The LLMs has been trained on billions of data so that it understands the intent and meaning behind your word. Then it reformulates the query into an internal query, something like get the current weather in Manipur, like for today in 2025. And then it looks up the live data through APIs or search. Then the LLM predicts the most natural and final sequence of tokens to send back, forming the actual output which you see over here. So this is how our model actually interprets the prompt. So now let us understand that what is the difference between a good prompt and a bad prompt. So let's first start with the same example of how is the weather in Manipur. So as you can see, this is a very vague response. The AI doesn't know whether I need the weather for today, tomorrow, next 7 days. So this is giving us a very generic response. Now let's try to give a different prompt. So here is my prompt. In this prompt, we have specifically mentioned that we need today's weather forecast for Imphal, and we also need the temperature, humidity, and chance of rain in 3 short bullet points. As you can see, it has given the different variations of temperature today. It has also given us humidity, chance of rain, and all the details in 3 bullet points as we asked the GPT to do. So in simple words, bad prompts are vague and it's like asking somebody that what do you know about weather? And good prompts are clear, structured, and outcome focused, making AI your personal assistant instead of just letting it be a search engine, because otherwise there will be no difference between a search engine and your GPT. So this is all about today's lecture. If you want to dive deeper into the world of AI agents, so feel free to contact the program advisor of Interview Kickstart. Thank you.